Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are with me in my last video, you will know that this is where we stop with in our basic tag. So today we are going to list. If you know that you have not watched this video, you can go back to the video. It's still there for you to go to learn about this. So we are moving forward. Today we are going to into lists. We are going into lists. So I've created a file for it. So let's just go back. So I've created the file for it on this page. So now to start with the list, we have two type of lists. We have order list and we also have unordered list. And you know, this list is what makes the work more organized instead of being scattered, for people to know, okay, this is where you are, this is the next thing you are saying, this is the next thing you want to do. So now moving on, you need to open a tag for HTML. You need to open an HTML tag, HTML. So then put our list, our head, the head. We put the head. Inside the head, we have the title. We have the title. So we have lists. We want to talk about lists. So we want to talk about lists. I told you we have two types of lists. So let us work on the first list. As we all know, we have two types of lists. So let's talk about order list first. Order list. How did you write order list? Instead of writing order, order list. Order list like this. So we don't write like that. Can you say that it's not even showing anything? It's not even showing well. So we just put OL, order list. Can you see? OL. OL. So inside the order list, that's when you have list item, LI. List item, LI. I can say sugar. I go again. I say list item. I say tea. Another one. I say LI. I say water. You know, let's say we want to drink tea. Another one, we have milk. So let me just put it this way, that we are drinking tea. So let's make use of our each one. We all know what each one means. So things, for tea, for tea, or ingredients for tea. Ingredients for beverages. Ingredient for beverage. Okay, let's put that way. Ingredient for beverage. I want everything to be on the line. Okay, that my work and it's fine. So I save. So let's go and check the work. Can you see ingredients for beverage? 1, we have sugar. 2, we have tea. 3, we have water. 4, we have milk. Can you see? Is it working? Okay. Now let's work on order list. On order list, another thing you can call it is bulletin. So as you can know, as you already know, UL means order list. So to write on order list, that means it will be UL. So then you have your listed item, LI. So let me see. Goats. Cats, LI, the listed item. Dog. Another one. Cow. Okay. Before let's give this our items. Let's give it a name too. A title. Let's give it a title. L1. Name of domestic animal. So names of domestic animal. I save and let's preview the work. Can you see names of domestic animal? So another thing we will also look into is nested list. Let's say under list we should have a nested list. So for us to have a nested list, let's go outside let's say we're having order. Let's say we have another order list. So under the order list, we have listed item. Or let's do it this way. Let's use the one that we are using before for us to understand better. Now, under goat. So let's say we want to go into nested list. So under goat we have our OL. What is OL? Order list. So under the order list we will have what? Listed items rather. So goats, we have she goat. We also have e-goat. Can you see that? So I save. So now let's check our work. Let's see what happened in the preview. Now I preview the work. Can you see? Under goat we have number 1 she goat, we have number 2 e-goat. Can you see? You can do it like that for cat too. You can do it like that for dog. You can do it like that for cow. So that is nested nest. Nested nest. Now there's something I want you to see again. Now, if you still want to put more, let's say the names of the names of the baby of goats. So what do? You put on other list. You put on other list again. Let's go, Joel. Then what do? Listed item. So let's say kid 1. So another one, listed item kid 2. Another one, kid 3. Just an example. Can you see? So you save and preview the work. Okay, my phone. That's my phone. This thing. Let's give it some time. Because I have so many things on my phone, so it's a little acting up. So can you see? Under goats, we have 1 e-goat and she-goat, 2 e-goat. Under the e-goat, so the 2 give you kid 1, kid 2, kid 3. So you can do it for all. So that is nested nest. Nested. You understand? So that's how it is. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share for others to learn. So we'll continue again. In the next video, we'll be talking about divs. Thank you for watching.